Hello everyone, this is my review of this mini portable projector. This projector has 1080p Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. It has its own stand attached to it that allows you to swivel and angle it into different directions. It also comes with its own remote and power cable. You can attach HDMI and USB to it, and it also has a headphone jack. It also has some pretty nice internal speakers that has pretty good sound quality. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and let it play so you can see it in action and hear it. It also works great with your PC. I highly recommend this product and I hope this review helps.